Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name's Brina. Today I'm going to show you how I create this super simple messy bun for my short hair. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this messy bun, keep on watching. To get the perfect messy bun, you want to start with not freshly washed hair, so I'm working with day-old hair here. And then I'm also going to take this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I'm gonna give my hair a good spray with this, just to make sure we add some extra texture, because to create the perfect messy bun, you need a lot of texture in your hair. I'm just going to comb it out a little bit. Don't want to get rid of all of the knots or anything. I'm going to start by taking my hair and just placing it in a ponytail. And I like my messy buns to be high on the top of my head, so that's where I'm going to place the ponytail. And then I'm going to pull at the front pieces to add a little bit more volume. As you can see, my hair just kind of falls in all directions now, so I'm going to take a little bit more of this just to add quite a bit of texture to the hair. And now I'm going to back comb with my fingers to give it a little bit of a tease. You could also use hairspray in place of the dry volume blast, and you could also use dry shampoo for the roots to add even more texture. Now I'm just going to take some bobby pins and pin the hair into place. I'm also going to pull a little bit of my face framing hairs down. And that's it. Super simple, super quick. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this hair tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. I put up new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!